Samsung might have just gone a bit too far. And somehow that's what makes this so interesting. Right now, the Galaxy Z TriFold is already one of the most extreme phones you can buy. It's insanely expensive, super limited, and in the US, you can't even just click buy. You actually have to walk into a select Samsung store to get one. So yeah, this is very much a for the few kind of device. But even that wasn't enough. A newly spotted patent suggests Samsung has been playing around with an even bigger idea: a triple folding phone with a much wider display than what we've seen so far. The patent, originally highlighted by Network Right, describes what Samsung calls a multi-foldable electronic device. Sounds technical, but the visuals are where things get interesting, because instead of the usual tall, narrow, foldable look, this version goes wider, a lot wider. The outer screen looks almost square. Less like a traditional phone, more like a mini tablet you can fold up and carry around. And when you fully open it, you're basically holding a massive screen that feels closer to a tablet than anything else. Now, quick reality check. This is a patent. Companies file these all the time. It doesn't mean this exact device is coming anytime soon, or even at all. It's more like a glimpse into what Samsung is thinking about behind the scenes. But here's why this actually matters. The entire industry is slowly shifting toward wider foldables. And a big reason for that is Apple. With the upcoming iPhone Ultra expected to go for that passport-style form factor, suddenly this wider approach is becoming the new trend, and Samsung isn't waiting around. Before we even get something like a TriFold 2, we're likely going to see this idea show up in a more practical form: the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. Leaks suggest it could feature a 5.4-inch outer display and a 7.6-inch inner screen, backed by a 5,000 mAh battery and the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. But the real upgrade isn't just specs, it's usability. A wider design means the outer screen actually feels like a normal phone, instead of something cramped and awkward. And honestly, that's been one of the biggest complaints with foldables so far. Now, taking that same idea and pushing it into a triple folding device, that's where things start to get a little wild. Because let's not forget, the current TriFold is rumored to sit around that $2,900 mark. So if Samsung adds even more screen real estate on top of that, you're entering a price range that's just not realistic for most people. Still, you've got to give Samsung credit. They're not just iterating, they're experimenting. And even if half of these ideas never make it to market, they're shaping what phones could look like in the next few years. The bigger question is, where do you draw the line? Is a triple folding phone something you'd actually want to use, or is this just tech getting carried away? Drop your thoughts below. I'm really curious where you stand on this. And if you're into keeping up with the wildest stuff happening in tech right now, stick around. There's a lot more coming up soon,